Step parenting can be very stressful for many couples, especially in the beginning. If certain issues are not addressed early, the marriage could be severely damaged. Therefore, if you marry someone with children, especially if one or more of the children will live in your household, I strongly encourage you to have a candid discussion about parenting issues with your spouse before you are faced with parenting issues that could fracture your marriage. As you try to mold your blended family into one cohesive unit, consider the following tips. They may help you work through any tension and develop a stronger relationship with your spouse and stepchildren. Number 1, don't let the children destroy your marriage. You and your spouse must be committed to making your marriage work, even if the children create new challenges in your life. And believe me, new challenges will come. Solidifying a blended family is not easy, especially if your stepchildren openly or secretly envision having their natural parents together again. For that reason, as a step parent, you may be considered an outsider and the enemy who is keeping their parents apart. To help combat some of the problems typically associated with blended families, you should consider developing a support system of counselors, relatives, ministers, and other couples who are experienced step parents to help you work through some of the challenges that may lie ahead.